Hi guys! Today we're going to fix iMessage not working on an iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go straight to the home screen. From here, we're going to open the Settings app because that's where all the iMessage controls are located. Honestly, most message issues happen because of a small setting that gets turned off accidentally. So once you see the Settings icon, just tap on it to continue. After opening Settings, scroll down slowly until you reach the bottom section where you'll see the Apps option. Apple has moved many app settings into this section in newer iOS versions, so this is where we need to go next. Simply tap on Apps, and it will show you a list of applications installed on your iPhone. Now you'll see a search bar at the top of the Apps page. Go ahead and tap on that search bar and type Messages. As soon as you search, the Messages option will appear below. This helps you find the settings quickly, instead of scrolling through a long list of apps. Once you see Messages in the results, tap on it to open the main Messages settings screen. This page controls everything related to SMS and iMessage on your iPhone. From here, we can easily check if something is turned off or not working properly. Now on this screen, scroll down a little until you see the iMessage option. Sometimes iMessage stops working simply because this toggle is turned off or glitched. So what we're going to do is refresh this setting to help the system reconnect properly. Here's the important step. First, turn iMessage off, then wait around 15 to 20 seconds. This short pause helps the phone reset the messaging service. After waiting, turn iMessage back on again, and usually this simple refresh fixes the problem for many users. After turning iMessage back on, look for the Send and Receive option and tap on it. This section shows the phone numbers and email addresses linked to your iMessage account. It's very important because if your Apple ID isn't selected here, messages may not send or receive properly. Finally, make sure your Apple ID or phone number is selected in this section. If it's not checked, simply tap on it to enable it. Once this is selected, your iMessage should start working normally again because your account is now properly connected to the messaging service. And that's it. This simple trick usually fixes iMessage not working on your iPhone in just a minute. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. And feel free to drop a comment below if your iMessage started working again or if you need help with another issue.